Welcome to a short series of videos to get you up and running with RayPRO, a desktop and mobile platform that allows you to effortlessly collect insightful patient-reported outcomes for 3 years after cataract surgery. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your personal RayPRO dashboard using both the mobile app for Android and Apple devices, as well as the version that can be accessed via a web browser. When you open your RayPRO app, you'll be presented with a wealth of reports that show live data from your patients and that can be accessed from anywhere around the world. Click on any report for a further breakdown of the data and metrics. For example, you can click on Satisfaction with Outcomes to show satisfaction with outcomes both at 3 months and also 1 year. You can see spectacle independence at various distances reported by your patients. Also within RayPRO, you can see additional procedures. You can see laser treatments on the cornea, if they've had a YAG procedure, and so effectively your own PCO rate, and also if they've had any additional supplementary lenses implanted since their original surgery. At the top, you can see a trend of how many patients you've added over time, and also your personal RayPRO score and ranking. Across the bottom, you can access all of your patients' records and also see any surgeries that they've had. Now looking at the web browser personal dashboard on RayPRO, you can access the same metrics either by clicking on the large icons in front of you or down the left-hand menu here. Both on the desktop and mobile version, there are filters, so you can filter the metrics by Rayner IOL, by clinic, so you can compare metrics between private and public clinics, for example, and also by time as well. On the desktop version, there is a search bar at the top for searching for patients, and you can access your RayPRO score on the right-hand side here. By clicking on any report, you can see a breakdown of scores. You can hover over the tooltip here to see a breakdown of how the report is calculated, and you also can click here to download a CSV file if you wish to do manual calculations in Microsoft Excel. Across the top, you have access to all of your patients, as well as your messages if you receive any of these from the RayPRO admins.